Hey guys, welcome. So today's video, I know I'm the most excited about because my favorite season is approaching. Now listen, I understand that it's August and I am in no way, shape, or form trying to rush summer. I love summer too. But once all these stores start bringing out all of my fall items, I gotta run and grab it. Especially when it comes to seasons and holidays. If you're not first, you're last. So as soon as they start coming out, I have to get it because I need to grab things before they're all picked over, especially since, like I said, this is my favorite. Now, when it comes to fall, I gravitate more towards the Halloween aspect of fall. So all the spooky, creepy, scary, ghouly things that you can imagine, that's me. So I even wore my t-shirt, little skeleton peace hand, just to get us in the mood for it. But I want to share with you guys just some of the items that I've seen so far that's been out in the stores, what I've grabbed, what I've been loving, and hopefully it'll inspire you guys to get excited for our next season. One of the first items that I picked up this year was this gold skull from HomeGoods. HomeGoods is my jam. Like, that is my store for literally anything, but especially when it comes to just items like this. Now, if you look closely, you can see that this skull is all in flowers, which I actually keep this in my plant room. I'm a plant mommy, and I thought it was very fitting. Also, I love gold, and if you didn't know this about me, I collect skulls in general. So anything like this, just unique, something I haven't seen before. I have a bunch of these kind of chilling out throughout the house. You might actually be able to see one of my skulls up there. It's a gold skull with a crown that I keep here in my studio. You'll find these everywhere. Again, this is from HomeGoods, $10. Could not pass up. Since that was from HomeGoods, I'm gonna share a couple more items from there as well. I ended up grabbing these two, like faux book, what are these called? I don't even know what these are called. I don't know. These little like faux book storage things. Normally I'm not really into these, but I love that these look like books, and I thought how cute would these be to store on my bookcase with my other books, just kind of to blend in. And who knows, maybe I can just throw a couple things in here, like secret things that no one would know. I don't know, but I thought they were really cute. So this one's called The Witch's Handbook. I was actually with Brie when we bought this, and she said it kind of looked like me, so that sealed the deal for me. So I grabbed this one. And then this one is the fortune teller one. I don't know, I really like them. Super vibey. Definitely my style. Again, like I said, I think these will be really cool just in between some of my books in my bookshelf, and maybe I'll hide a couple things in there. And for quick price, these are both $10 as well. For my next thing, again, skulls. Hi. These are some napkin ring holders. So I have a dining room table that I like to decorate for all seasons, but especially for fall, Halloween. And I've never really set plates, like a nice little table setting, and I think I want to do that this year. So when I saw these, I was like, okay, I'm going to try to build something of a theme around the gold skulls. Again, I love gold. And I thought they were really, really cute. And it's just me and Jake, so a set of 4 is perfect for our table. And then for the price, these were $13. But I thought they were neat. They have a lot of napkin holders of all different just characters and things like that, but this one was definitely my favorite. So that's it from HomeGoods so far, but I do go weekly because they do stock so much, and there's so much going in and out of there, and I know that they stock about twice a week, so I always like to pop in there, see if they have anything new, something that really catches my eye. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on Instagram if I come across any more items. So if you're not following me there, follow me there because I am a little more chit-chatty there. They see it first before you too, but let's move on. So Michael's has a really, really good display of items this year, but it's also similar to a few past years. So a lot of the stuff that they have now or things that I'm interested in, I already have. So I'm going to be going there again just to see if they've stocked anything different. But I ended up grabbing this little coffin guy that I ended up just like randomly throwing some lip products in here. But when I found this, I was like, oh, this is really cute. I think it'd be really cute to display maybe candies or something. But I just wasn't sure what yet. And this is really heavy, by the way. And then I just ended up throwing my lipsticks in here, and I kind of like it. So who knows what I'll end up doing with this. But I love that you can lay it down. You can stand it up if you'd like. It's really cute. And I don't have the price on here because I took it off. But I want to say this was like $20, but 40% off or something like that. You know how Michael's always like marks up their things and then it's always 40% off or something like that. It was something around that. Oh, and they also had 2 different sizes of this. So this was the smaller one and then they had a bigger one. I like this one better. I would definitely say my 3 favorite stores for finding items like these would be Home Goods, Michael's, and the At Home store. I just think they're very similar, but you will find some differences. And when you go to Home Goods, you get a little bit of a discount since things are marked down a little bit. But I did find some things at the At Home store that I really liked. So first, you really cannot go wrong with some poison bottles. I got 3. Let me just hold them all up really quick. Super cute. So now let me show you them individually. So this is the poison warning. I liked this iridescent feel. It shifts between green to purple, a little bit yellow, really, really pretty. And the next one is Always Fresh Unicorn Horn from Slaughterville, Oklahoma. So I loved that the purple kind of played off the purple iridescence in this one. And then the last one that I got is called the Scale of Dragon. So this one's just plain green. And what I love about items like these are they're great fillers. You could put these on a shelf, you could put them on your counter, you could just put them anywhere that you want to add a little bit more of that spooky vibe. And these actually weren't too bad. This was 5, this was 8, and this was 6. So really, really like all 3 of these together with the little corks. Actually, this one specifically had a bat on the cork and I didn't like it. But I didn't break it off. Somebody else did, so I bought it like this. I guess I could have just bought one and took the cork off myself, but I didn't know what I was going to do with the bat. I didn't want it, so I was glad that somebody broke it. I think somebody tried to open the cork, not realizing that all of these are glued in. So yeah, they all match. Love it. Next from the At Home store. Oh my God, this guy is so cute. This reminded me of my plant room, so I had to get it for my plant room. This will be staying in there all year round. I absolutely love it. I'll have to insert a picture where I have it so you guys can see where it's in my plant room, but it's next to all the plants. It looks so cute. I don't know. I was just like a sucker for this. I think it's adorable. I also don't have the price on it because it's already been in my decor, already set up. So I don't remember. I want to say this is probably around like $10, $15. But it's just so cute. I love it. Lastly, from the At Home store, I found these guys, which when I saw them on the display, I was like immediately thought of demon horns. So tell me if you think the same, but they're candlestick holders. So I got 2 of them. I just think they are so wicked looking. They definitely add to that just creepy, haunted, spooky vibe that I'm going for. I in love. As soon as I saw them, I knew that I had to have it. So these are fantastic. You know what? And when it comes to the price, we were kind of confused on it. I'm going to assume it's inflation because these were originally for $15 and they were marked up to $16.99. So I ended up paying $17 a piece for these. But again, I don't care because I just think these are so cool. I'm obsessed. So creepy. And obviously when you think of them as like a demon horn, it adds that shock value a little bit. So definitely a great find for me. So my next item I ended up getting at a thrift store, which is this little guy right here. It reminds me of the poison bottles that I was showing you guys. And I wanted to do like a little DIY with this and make it like a skull and crossbones and make it like a poison drink, put a cork in it, but make this one a little bit more scary, dingy, creepy. The other ones are super cute and fun, but I want to make this one stand out. I got this for $4. So I'm thinking about doing like a little DIY if you guys want to see something like that. I do have a couple DIY projects that I'm doing. So I'm really excited. So I hope you guys are too. I want to like do a little bit of everything, you know. I want to just showcase just a bunch of things that I love and not just focus around beauty or anything like that. So really excited. Again, let me know if you guys want to see or if you're interested in seeing stuff like this. I did actually purchase one more thing from Home Goods, and it was a set of 2 skull martini glasses, and I did DIY those, and those will be popping up on my TikTok and my Instagram. It's just a quick little DIY just to kind of, you know, make it my own. So Again, if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and follow me. I'm Amanda Devon on both platforms. So this will be up soon. If not, it might already be up by the time this video gets up, but I'm not sure, but you know what I mean. Okay, so my last two items I am just so excited for. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me show you the bigger one first. Now, you know what? I need to give you guys a backstory before I show you. When I was like 10 years old, and we had, you remember like the Scholastic book fairs back in the day? Okay, so I ended up grabbing one of the Goosebumps books, and it was One Day at Horrorland. And I just thought that was the coolest book ever, and I've literally loved it since. I love the whole vibe of it. It's creepy. I'll like insert a picture so you guys know what I'm talking about because it'll make sense of why I want to do this. So one of my really good friends, Alyssa, she's super into Halloween and spooky and fall just as much as I am. So she's got a little bit of a different taste because she's got kids. So she tries to keep it a little bit more like fun and not as like death and creepy like I do. So she showed me these spooky town collectibles that you see at Michael's and all over online. And she showed me this one specifically, and it just brought me back to that book. So One Day at Horrorland it's a book about a family being at an amusement park, and it's just wicked there. So not proud about the price, but I splurged and got this guy, Web of Terror from Spooky Town. And I decided that I want to create my own little spooky amusement park and just fill it with all the spooky towns. But I got to start small because these things are very pricey. This one particular was $100, and I know that they're reselling for like $125 and more. So yeah, but it makes me so excited. So I did order a couple other pieces. I think they come in the mail tomorrow. So I will definitely share on my Instagram some of the other pieces that I'll be adding to this. I'm just so excited for this, seriously. And for my last item, this is a phone case that I actually found off of an Instagram page. I will post it and I will link it so you guys can go to it. They had been posting that they did a collab with phone cases. So I was like, oh, I'll check their website, see what they have. Fell in love with this phone case. It says, being alive is exhausting, with this really cool zombie girl. And I just think it's so fun. I'm going to be rocking this literally all of fall, winter, the rest of my life. It's a vibe. I had a friend tell me that this looks like me, so that made me even more excited. They have so many cool designs on their website, and there was a few that I wanted to get, but since I never purchased before and I didn't know what it was going to be like in person, I was like, you know what, let me just get one, see the quality, and then I'll decide if I want to get another one. And now, like, seeing this in person, just the vibrancy and just how cool this is, I'm definitely going to be purchasing a couple more of their collabs. But that's it for my haul so far. I'm still on the lookout, seeing if there's anything that catches my eye that I want to add to my collection. I'm just getting so excited for this year. This time of the year just makes me the happiest. I do love all seasons. I live in the Chicagoland area, so we do get every single season here, and I do love them all individually. And summer does have a place in my heart. Like, I love the heat. But Halloween just speaks to my soul, so once fall rolls around, I'm just like the happiest person ever. But I have a lot of really cool fall things that are coming up with decorating my house, making my costume, doing some DIYs. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, again, let me know down below. Subscribe if you have not already. Follow me on Instagram or TikTok to see any of the little projects that I'm doing and just keep you up to date with what we have coming out. With all that said, I really hope it's getting you guys excited. So thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.